Hey, Sean here with another quick hit. Watching Lessons in Chemistry. My wife and I just binge watched the whole thing, so I want to start by saying it's a beautiful show. It's an amazing show. Apple TV doesn't have a lot going for it in terms of a lot of great content, but they have some of the best shows. I think I would rank this up here with Ted Lasso for me. So just a wonderful show. I'm going to give some spoilers right now, so don't watch this if you haven't watched the show yet. My recommendation is you go watch it. Don't watch a trailer. Don't watch a preview. Don't read anything about it. Just watch it so you can experience it. It's a show meant to be experienced. All right, now to the part I want to spoil. This is episode 1, the burning of the lasagna. I love this scene for so many different reasons. One is it encapsulates the theme of the entire show, really. Two, it's a great payoff moment. So this is when she burns the lasagna on the show. She's actually burned her lasagna once earlier in the episode. It's when she gets distracted by the boy and she's not focusing. She burns the lasagna and she says, I never burn anything. It's a huge moment for her because she never burns anything. This is a payoff to this moment because something happens in this episode that causes a great divide, that causes a great upset. And now we flash forward because the cooking show is taking place in the future to see this moment, which is a capper for that moment, for how she's feeling, for how devastated she is by making this mistake and coming to the conclusion that we can't control everything. So I love it for all of that. But what I also love it for is the emotional foreshadowing. And I don't think we do enough of thinking about emotional journeys, emotional arcs, the mood, the feeling of the audience, the feeling that we're to be giving. I think a lot about plot. I'm a big structure guy. We think a lot about character arcs. We don't think a whole lot about emotion arcs. And this show does a lot of great emotion arcs, including with this scene, which is a foreshadowing. This burning of the lasagna, this not having control of everything, this when everything is going just right, we can't control it going kablooey. We can't control it burning. That is a huge setup in episode 1, towards the end of episode 1. It's a huge setup, not just playing within the scene itself, which, as we know, good setups play well in the scene, not just for the episode itself that it happens to be in, but setting us up for what's going to happen in the next episode, in the mirroring final concluding moment of that. So just beautiful the way that they're thinking about it. They just do a great job of the plot is beautifully orchestrated. The character arcs is beautifully orchestrated, and the emotional arcs are beautifully orchestrated. So anyway, this has been Sean with another quick hit.